Hi guys, Eric with Graybeard Gardening PDX. You can see here we just picked 2 new rounds of tomatoes here. We got Amish paste on the right, picked near the breaker stage, and we got San Marzanos on the left, picked near the breaker stage. Some more towards unripe than ripe, but you'll see all of these ripen up. And just to show you what's happened with everything else, look at all those. Here's our first Brandywine Sudeth or Sudeth. Not sure how to pronounce that, but look at that. Just beautiful back there. I probably could have picked that the other day on the harvest video, but it was so low that I missed it. Ooh, so excited. And you can see just how beautiful that is. Let's go ahead and clip that out. Oh my God. Look at that tomato. Looking so healthy. Picked perfectly at the breaker stage, and just look at that. Oh. You can see that one back there. And just look at the ox heart size of that. And look at how thick these stems are to hold these up. Just looking amazingly strong. You can see that one right there. Looking gorgeous. Just a beautiful. We got 2 Amish paste here that need to be cut. Oh, look at those. Just beautiful, beautiful fruits. For all of you that aren't growing the Amish paste yet, try that out. Oh yeah, look at that. Just gorgeous. Little dinky one. We picked both of those fairly early, but they'll still ripen. You can see here we just picked 2 new rounds of tomatoes here. We got Amish paste on the right, picked near the breaker stage, and we got San Marzanos on the left, picked near the breaker stage. Some more towards unripe than ripe, but you'll see all of these ripen up. And just to show you what's happened with everything else, look at all those. So now you can see that's our first group that we picked about a week ago, and how perfectly ripe these all are. They're now supple and ready to go ahead and cook. Then you've got these and these here that were picked about 4 or 5 days ago. You can see those have already turned from the breaker stage into something a little more ripe. And now you can see the difference between what we picked today. So just more proof that you can pick early and they're gonna ripen up. Just don't put them in the fridge and let them sit out and ripen up. Here's the unveiling of the very first Better Boy in the garden. You can see that beautiful tomato ripened up really fast there. So we're just gonna go in there and take that one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that tomato. Just a little bit of a split at the top. Everything else looking gorgeous. Oh, Best friend's gonna love that one. Just wanted to show you some of the sun gold tomatoes we're getting right now before I pick some of these. I always try to stay on top of this and get these picked fairly early, so I'm just gonna start picking these and just wanted to show you guys what we were getting today. Beautiful set of fruit. If you're seeing that hole, it's almost completely more sun golds. Hi, sweet baby girl. What are you doing? So nice. I don't know why I'm whispering. This is what we got out of our sun golds this morning, and lots more where that came from. Ooh, looks like we got one that's splitting right there. I need to eat that. Oh my God. So ridiculously sweet.